Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in this deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creepy crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" A hare hops in. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yum-yums. Perhaps we can share." A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles.